I look so beautiful. Let me show you how I did this. So firstly, I had to put my foundation, but of course, after my skin prep. You all know that skin prep is like the bane of your makeup. So today I'm going to be using my lipstick to make a blush, and it came out wonderful, as you can see. So this is your cue that you can actually use your lipstick for blush if you don't have blush. So moving on to the concealing part. I know the blush was too much, but the concealer is still going to take it all away and make it less too much if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video because there's really nothing much to talk about, as the video is quite self-explanatory. I honestly enjoyed making this look, honestly. So as you can see, I'm going back to apply more blush as the concealer took almost everything out. So I'm done with the liquid products. Now I'm moving into the powders to take away the shine. I love this my powder palette. Like it blends so beautifully. It feels so good on the skin. Can you see my eyeshadow popping? Obsessed. Obsessed. I don't know, I just decided to go all abstract. There was no inspo. I just went crazy with the eyeshadow, and I honestly love it. And I know you do too, baby. I literally ate this makeup up, hands down. I wolfed it up. So I am super duper proud of this look, and I know you are too, honey. Give me my flowers. So I also had to make this video for the Dolce trend. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
My grass is really green, and honestly, I can't even fucking cap no more. This is a really dark time for me. I'm going through a lot.
By a lot, you mean drugs?
I wouldn't.
Drugs?
No, it's a natural plant.
No, I'm not judging.
I'm not an addict.